Hi everybody, I'm back today with my next FotoBella design team package, and what I'm going to show you today is Welcome Winter by FotoBella. I have several different things I'm going to flip through, and I'm actually going to show you the paper at the end. So first here we've got some puffy stickers. They add a little bit of dimension. They're nice and shiny, but they're not too bulky to where they can still be good for flat layouts. We've got some really cute images that are similar to what's on the papers. Next, I have the frames and tags and the ephemera bundles. These are die-cut pieces that match the collection. I think these are really good for card making and for layouts and for a lot of different types of projects. So they're very versatile in what they can be used for. So these are just the ephemera pieces, and they have lots of blues. There's some of the plaid and the green in it, and obviously the white. And then this one looks like some of them are double, so you have the center image and then you have the frame. And so I like these because they just are an easy way to add some embellishments to projects, again, perfectly coordinated with the collection. So I think this gives a lot of variety too. So there's definitely some different sentiments, but also some images. There's some banner pieces here as well. So definitely I could see this type of collection used for just general winter type things, or thinking about maybe ski trips or sled riding, that sort of thing. So I think there's a lot that can be done with this paper collection. So I've got the ephemera and the frames and tags. Got the enamel dots. I think these are great to add just a little bit extra to some projects, especially cards. These kinds of things can really add a lot. And then these, I have not seen FotoBella's brads before, but these are really pretty. I like the really shiny look to them. So they're adhesive brads. They're not actually brads with the clasp behind them. So they are more like, they don't have to be punched through paper, so they're more like a sticker than an actual brad itself. Those are really neat. I've never seen those before. I love the gems, and so this will be really fun to play with and add to my projects. We've got two sets of chipboards. We've got the accents and the phrases, so lots and lots of goodies here to play with as well. And then we've got the paper. So we've got the smaller 6x6 paper pad that has just some of the smaller patterns, which is nice for smaller types of things. Cards, sometimes the patterns on the bigger papers are just a little bit too much for cards. So these little sizes are perfect for that. But then to show you in the collection pack here, what you get is 12x12 papers, and then the stickers on the back. So these are 12 double-sided papers, and they are actually textured. I love FotoBella's 12x12 papers because they have a really nice weight and texture to them. So they've got some beautiful images, very similar to the smaller paper pad, just to give a lot of variety. These can be used for cards too, but sometimes they're just a little too big to use with other things too. I really like this paper. So these could be cut apart, but it could be used just like this too. So all these images are gonna work really well together. Just that nice wintry feel, just kind of a cozy feel too with the plaids and then the mittens. I just think it's a really nice paper line, and a lot can be said about this. It has a almost masculine feel to it, but yet it also can be used for some feminine projects too. I know a lot of my paper collections are more feminine, and it's hard to do anything masculine with them, but I think this collection really can be used in both ways, which is really nice to do. And then on the back here, I have the sticker sheet that comes with the papers. So you've got all these different stickers here that definitely matches all the different papers for the collection. And so this one has, it doesn't say on the face sheet how many stickers, but there's a lot of stickers here too. So there's a lot that can be done with this. I hope you will stay tuned for what projects I will be creating with the Welcome Winter by FotoBella. Thank you for watching and have a great day.